In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up satisfaction surveys so that you can keep an eye on the quality of support that your users are receiving. So we're here in our help desk and we're going to navigate over to the setup, and then we're going to come here to surveys. And you'll see that they are automatically enabled. You can disable them if you choose, but let's go ahead and enable them. And then I'm going to add my first question, and we're going to say, how satisfied are you with the support you received? All right, we can apply this. I can't spell received either. And then you can apply this to a specific agent. So you can say yes or no. So this can be general, or you can apply it to specific agents. And then you can choose your settings. So you can allow a rating or a comment or both. So for this question, I'm just going to say yes, allow a rating, and I'm going to hit save. And then I'm going to add another question, and I'm going to say, how could we improve the quality of support? And now this one I'm not going to apply to a specific agent, and I'm just going to allow a comment, and then I'm going to hit save. All right, and you can go ahead and create as many survey questions as you want to, but for me, I'm just going to create those two. All right, so now I'm just going to navigate back to my inbox here. I'm going to quickly view all tiers, and I'm going to come to Bob over here, and we're going to reply. We're going to say, sure thing, we will send you the new product right away. And then we can send that. And then I'm going to log in as Bill to view that help desk ticket. And you'll see that that ticket is now active for Bob to reply to. So I'm going to click in here, and we're going to say, cool, I'm happy with that response. So I'm going to close my ticket and confirm. You'll see that I'm then given my satisfaction survey down here at the bottom. And I'm going to say, yep, that was great. And then I could say, how could we improve the quality of support? And I'll just say nothing. Nothing. It was a great experience. And then we can go ahead and hit submit. So now if I navigate back to the admin area, you'll see that I am then given that rating, and I'm given that comment here within that ticket. So that is how you can set up those satisfaction surveys within your help desk. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up a channel so that users can submit help desk tickets to you via email. I'll see you there.